I did something and it's here. And Gary doesn't know. He kind of knows, but he doesn't know the extent of what I did. Number slide. But it's okay because I'm excited. Oh, I got a koozie. Oh my God. Okay, what is that? Is that a pen? I got a koozie and a pen. These are really good. Hot cocoa bombs. Okay, cocoa bombs for the kids. These are what I did. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. Jamie with, I can't open this. Okay, Jamie at Livin Vida logo is talented, is so talented. And she designed my logo and I highly recommend her because I am, I know what I want. And I want to come out like what I want. And, so I went to her. For this. I told you my husband doesn't know about the extent. I need to be careful I don't cut a shirt. They're shirts. I'm gonna hurt something. This is where I said he knows, but he doesn't know. Okay. Anyway, I had these ideas in mind, for some shirts. And, I like Sippie Couture. I like my name. I like it. I think it's cute. But what I really like is fun sayings. Oh my goodness. This is the one she must have surprised me with. Look how cute. So it is my logo background and it's all these sayings and it says hashtag Sippie Couture. So just call me Glitter Lady Sparkles. Oh, I should have had her just come up with all of them. Glitter is my favorite color. A little hashtag Sippie Couture under there. Glitter hair, don't care. I've been wanting this saying for a minute. Glitter hair, don't care. Spread the sparkle. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Create, share, inspire. I love that. I love that. Like this has become my motto. Create, share, inspire. I say that all the time. Because that's what I want to do. I want to create. I want to share with you, and I want you to inspire. Inspire. Please don't expire. And then I have I don't sweat, I sparkle. Oh, I said like it was last. It was not the last. This is the last. Keep calm and add glitter. Yes, I love these shirts. I love these shirts. I'm obsessed. I love that it looks just like my logo. I love that they all have my little hashtag. These are perfect. These are so cute. I love them. Jamie, you did an amazing job. Oh my goodness. Yay!